Alam mo sa game na ito, napakaraming highlights. Marami from Terence Romeo, but there's a lot of other guys as well. Nang ganda na pinakita rito, may mga circus shot tayong nakita, mga spectacular plays. Terence Romeo nga nanguna dyan early on pa lang. Going, stealing, laying up. But lots of help sa kanyang mga kampedi.
Well, nakita natin right in the very first quarter, si Terence Romeo, kumana na kaagad. 13 points in the first period for Terence.
Tira na yan mula kay Kim Jensen. Napauwi na lahat ng tao rito sa loob ng Mall of Asia Arena. Back to the basket, off the glass against Calvin Abueva yon.
Marami din tumulong kina Terence Romeo at kay Stanley Pringle. But what about this buzzer beater? Offensive rebound galing kay Terence Romeo to beat the clock at the half.
10-point lead ang Global Port pagpasok natin ng halftime break. Sa third quarter naman, umarangkada ang Alaska, actually closed the gap. Pero itong Global Port had answers for everything. Still leading by 8 at the end of 3 quarters. At doon tumulong na rin yung iba, sila Jay Wash, pati na sila Rico Meyerhofer, tumulong yan. Into the fourth quarter, tinapos na ni Terence Romeo, not just by scoring, pero sa mga pasa rin niya.
Well, si Billy Mamaril, 8 out of the 12 points coming in the fourth period. Marami din nagkontribusyon. But in the end, you go to your main man, si Terence Romeo, delivering the goods para sa Global Port. You watch this shot right here. That's a new 41-point career high para sa kanya.
So 107-93 nga naging final score natin.